Jai Hind everyone. I welcome all the students here in online classes of mathematics. Today in this video we will study how to find square root of a non-perfect square number. Yes, non-perfect squares means the numbers which are not perfect squares. In our previous video, we studied how to find the square root of a perfect square number by two methods. Number 1 by prime factorization method and number 2 by the long division method. So, why we need to find the square root of a non-perfect square number and what is the process to find the square root of non-perfect square we will study in this video. Yes, based on our previous knowledge, you can tell me the square root of 16 that is equals to 4. Similarly, square root of 25 is equals to 5 because 16 and 25 both numbers are perfect squares. Now, can we find the square root only perfect squares number? क्या हम स्क्वायर रूट सिर्फ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर्स का ही फाइंड कर सकते हैं? दैट विल शुड बी योर क्वेश्चन आफ्टर स्टडिंग prime factorization method and long division method. So the answer is yes, we can find the square root of the numbers which are not perfect squares by this method. Square root of 2. Yes, 2 is a non-perfect square number. Here we will find its square root. Under root 5, square root 7. Yes, these are some numbers which are not perfect squares. So, finding square root of non-perfect square numbers is approximately same as to find square root by long division method, which we studied in our previous video. Before going to start our this topic, you have to understand two basic things. Decimals. Have you studied decimals? Yes, you have studied. 2.567 is an example of a decimal because it is having a decimal point, a whole number part and a decimal part. This is known as decimal part and this number is known as whole number part. Now you may ask, our main topic is this and why I am teaching you the decimals? Yes, your question is correct. Yes, in decimals I have written 2.567. It is an example of a decimal. I am asking you, can you tell me the number of places, decimal places in this example? Yes, there are 3 decimal places. First decimal place, second decimal place and third decimal place. So it has 3 decimal places. But when we will find square root of non-perfect square numbers, the quotient or we can say the square root will not be a whole number. It will be a decimal. जब हम नॉन परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर्स के स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करेंगे तो उनका जो आंसर आएगा, जो स्क्वायर रूट होगा, वो होल नंबर की फॉर्म में नहीं होगा. दैट विल बी ऑफ डेसिमल्स. देयरफॉर we will relate two decimal places of this question here with that of decimal part. If we want to find the square root of under root 2, we have to follow the method of long division method. Here we will write 2. 2 can be written as 2.0, but while we will find square root, then 20 will make one period, or we can say it is a one decimal place. Here in normal decimals, first digit after decimal point is known as your first decimal place. Second digit will treated as your second decimal place. But while we are finding square root of non-perfect square numbers, two digits will make one decimal place. Next two digits will make second decimal place, and next 20 will make third decimal place, and bar we will apply on two numbers, two digits. After the decimal point, we will make pair of two digits. Two digits means 20, 20 and 20, because we don't have any decimal part here. We can write 2 as 2.000000, because we can write as many as number of zeros as we like. हम जितना चाहें उतनी zeros हम लिख सकते हैं after decimal. So in general decimals, after decimal point, first digit is your first decimal place and second digit is your second decimal place. But in this process, two digits will make your one decimal place. Next two digits will make your second decimal place, and next two digits will make your third decimal place. Therefore, we have to do such work. Now, do you know how to round off rounding numbers? Yes, rounding numbers. If you have to round off 25.645 up to two decimal place, means after point we know only two digits. अगर हमें टू डेसिमल प्लेस तक किसी डेसिमल का आंसर फाइंड करना होता है, तो हमें थर्ड डेसिमल प्लेस की वैल्यू चाहिए होती है. जब तक हम थर्ड डेसिमल प्लेस की वैल्यू हमारे पास नहीं होगी, हम उस डेसिमल को टू डेसिमल प्लेस तक राउंड ऑफ नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज द डिजिट रिटन एट थर्ड प्लेस will be compared with 5. Here it is 5, it will be compared with 5. If the digit is equal to 5 or digit is greater than 5. If the digit written at third place, जो digit third place पर लिखी होगी, if that digit is equal to 5 or greater than 5, then what we will do? We will add 1 in the second decimal place. Then its round off number will be 25.65 answer. And if the digit written at third place is less than 5, if it is 25.644 and we have to round off it up to two decimal places, and the digit written at third decimal place is 4 and 4 is less than 5, so answer will be 25.64. We will not add 1 here. The digit written at third place will be equal to 0 and we will add 1 in the previous digit. But in this case, if the digit is less than 5, then we will not add 1. Why I teach you rounding numbers? Because we need to do here. Here in this question we have to find square root of 2 correct up to two decimal place. Two decimal place means we have to write 6 zeros, because 20 makes one place, 20 makes second place, and another 20 makes your third place. When we have the digits at third place, then we will round off with the help of the digit written at third place. थर्ड प्लेस पर जो डिजिट लिखी होगी उसके बेसिस पर हम अपने जो स्क्वायर रूट आएगा, क्वोशिएंट आएगा, उसको राउंड ऑफ करेंगे, सो दैट आवर आंसर विल बी करेक्ट अप टू टू डेसिमल प्लेस. नाउ जस्ट start your process as your normal long division method. Here we have only one digit, so bar will be on one digit. 2 2s are 4, cannot be written, so 1 1s are 1, we will write and then we will subtract. 2 minus 1 1, this one will be add in this one, 1 plus 1 will be 2. Now we will carry both the digits together, but before both the digits we have decimal, so we will put our decimal point here. We have to write here some number and we will multiply it by the same number. If we will write here 5, then it will be 25, and we have to multiply by 5, then it will be 125. So 125 will be greater than 100. We will write 4 and we'll multiply 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9, 96. 96 is less than 100. So after 2 we will write 4 and we will multiply by 4. It will be 96. After subtraction we will have 4. We will carry next pair of digits and we will add this 4 here, plus 4. 4 and 4 8 and 2. Now if we will write here 1, so we will multiply it by 1. 281 into 1 is equals to 281. Now we will subtract. 10 minus 1 9, 9 minus 8 1, 3 minus 2 1, and we will add 1. 1 plus 1 2, 8 and 2. Now we will carry 2 zeros here. Now we have 282. 282, we need to write one digit here. Suppose we have written here 5, so we will multiply it by 5. 5 5s are 25, 12, 41, 1 4. It is greater, so we will not do it. 2 8 2. 282, what we will write here? 4. So we multiply by 4. 4 4s are 16, 9, 32, 1 296. Yes, 1.414, and here 11296. We need not to subtract here, or if we subtract, then it is not wrong. So we have 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 9 0, 8 minus 2 6, and we have to add 4 in 4, 8 2 8 2. Now we have to find the square root of 2 correct up to 2 decimal place. अगर हमें किसी भी डेसिमल को 2 डेसिमल प्लेस पर राउंड ऑफ करना है, उसका आंसर सेकंड डेसिमल प्लेस पर हमें फाइनल करना है, तो उसको प्रॉपर वे में राउंड ऑफ करने के लिए हमें थर्ड प्लेस वाली डिजिट को फाइंड करना पड़ता है. इसीलिए हमने 1.414 मीन्स हमने उसको 3 प्लेसेस तक फाइंड की है वैल्यू. नाउ वी विल अप्लाई द रूल ऑफ राउंडिंग नंबर्स हियर. Our quotient is, now I am rubbing all the calculations here. Now we will apply the rule of rounding numbers. Therefore, square root of 2 is equal to 1.414. It is up to 3 decimal place. But we have to write the square root of under root 2 correct up to 2 decimal place. So we will round off and it is approximately equal to 1.41. Why it is 1.41? Because the digit written at third decimal place is 4 and 4 is less than 5. Therefore, its value will be 1.41 corrected up to 2 decimal places. Now, have a look out on another example, example number 2. Find square root of under root 7. Correct up to 3 decimal place. If we will do it at 3 decimal place, how many 0 we need? 8 0. This is your first place, second place, third place and fourth place. Then the question will be too lengthy and it is also not in your syllabus. So we will do this question corrected up to 2 decimal place. If we need to find the value of square root 7, corrected up to 2 decimal place, then we need 3 places. 3 place means 1 place will have 2 digits. So we have to write 6 zeros because 7 can be written as 7.0000 and 00. Now start finding the square root of 7 by the simple long division method. Bar will be on 7. 3 3s are 9, cannot be applied here. So 2 2s are 4 minus. After subtraction 3, 2 will be added into 2 plus 2 4. We will carry next 2 zeros and that decimal point will be written here. Now we have to write here some number. If we will write here 7, so 47 will multiply by 7. 7 sevens are 49. 32. It will be greater. 46 will multiply by 6. 6 6 are 36. 276. We will write here 6 and will multiply by 6. It will be 276. Subtract. 10 minus 6 4. 9 minus 7 2. 2 minus 2 0. 6 will plus in 6. 6 and 6 12. Carry 1 4 and 1 5. We will carry next 0. We have to write here some number. 52. What should we write here? 4. If we write 4, we will multiply by 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8 and 1 9. 5 4s are 20. 2096 is smaller than 2400. We will multiply 525 by 5. 25 12 2625. It is greater, so we will multiply it by 4. We will write here 4 and we'll multiply by 4 and that will be equal to 2096. Subtract. 10 minus 6 4. 9 minus 9 0 and it is your 3. We will add 4 here. 4 and 4 8. 2 and 5. We will carry next pair of digits 00 because we have to find the answer correct up to 2 decimal place and still we have only 2 decimal place. To round off that number, we need one more place here. We have to write here something, some number 528. What should we write here? 4. If we will write here 4, we'll multiply by 4. Check it. 4 4s are 16. 33. 11. 2 1. If we write here 5. 5 2 8 5. Multiply by 5. 25. 42. 14. 2 6. Still less than. We will multiply it by 5 2 8 6. 36. 51. 17. 31. It is greater than 30400. So we will go for 5. 5. We will write here 5 and it will be 2 6 2 6 4 2 5. Now that here we will stop our process because we have square root 7 is equals to 2.645. We have to find the answer correct up to 2 decimal places and up to 2 decimal places we have now one more place to round off. So it will be approximately equal to 2.65 answer. Why? Because the digit written at third place is 5 and 5 is equal to 5. If the digit written at the third decimal place is equal to 5 or greater than 5, then we will put that digit equal to 0. That 5 will become 0 and we will add 1 in the previous digit or in the next digit. 4 plus 1 5. So final answer will be 2.65. This is the process which we have followed here. I have solved this question by doing multiplication so that you can understand how you have to find its solution. You can subtract it. 10 minus 5 5. 9 minus 2 7. 13 minus 4 9. 9 minus 6 3. 2 minus 2 0. Or if you will not find it, then there is no problem. You have to focus here. If you need to find the square root of under root 7 corrected up to 1 decimal place, then you have to write only 4 zeros. If you have to find square root 7 corrected up to 2 decimal place, then you have to write 6 zeros, means 3 places. This is the process by which you can find the square root of non-perfect square numbers. I hope guys you all can understand this method, and in our next videos we will find the square root of decimals. Here these numbers are not decimals. 2 is a whole number, 5 is a whole number, 7 is a whole number. In our next videos we will find the square root of such kind of number: 2.567, 3.890, 5, 8, such kind of numbers. So we will find the square root of decimals in our next video. Till then, I hope guys you all are good at your home. You are following the rules and guidelines of government due to coronavirus. Be safe. Be at your home. Thank you.